32 participants too, you guys are as the organizer, right? How many disabled people? 20. Did you state anywhere in your proposal? Tak ada. Okay. Kena letak dekat dalam background tu. Means like you can see 32 students from Professional English L07 Group 2 will be organizing the hands-off community service program on blah 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 blah, which involve berapa disabled people tu. Okay. You jangan letak participants. Participants as if like the apa nama disabled people tu. Ni participants you mean disabled people or you guys? Organizer, right? Okay, buat general je. This initiative aims to provide both meaningful assistance to the residents while developing empathy, communication, and leadership skills through hands-on community engagement to among you guys kan? Developing empathy, communication tu. So this initiative provide both participants and student committee. You buat student committee with benda-benda lah tu. Okay, turun bawah. Right, at the end of the hands-on on 4th, 24th, 32. You buat student committee, 32 student committee from, okay, will be able to, okay, buang this proposal aims to terus masuk organize, assist, organize, strengthen, organize a community service program tu je, terus masuk tu. Tak payah, jangan panjang sangat. Tak payah engage 32 participants in various activities tu, tak payah. Ataupun you terus masuk will be able to lead various activities designed to support and uplift individuals with disabilities. Itulah yang jadi objektif you. Okay? Kalau you dah ada organize, tak payah repeat the same thing because it's redundant. On top, you already mentioned the first one, organize, and then 3.3, you repeat, organize again. Okay. Something redundant, remove je. Okay. No need to make a lot of objectives, but it is not achievable pun tak guna juga. Alright, nanti simplify the adjective ya. And then justification. Ada pun GHOS kan I mentioned relate with GHOS. Graduate higher order critical thinking skills so GHOS. Social lah, basically social domain, cover social domain. Okay, turun bawah. Kenapa hands of hope tu tulisan dia besar? Dia tak sama saiz dengan tulisan bawah. Nanti samakan saiz dia. Okay, turun bawah. Participation charges. You buat je class collection. Kan? Betul kan? Is that from class collection, right? I mean like your group collection. Buatlah class collection. Okay, your budget tu, buka your budget tu. Okay, your budget there, lunch semata-mata tak ada, you are not going to do activities. Remember, I asked you to include activities, right? Is there any activities? Ada, buat apa? Who is going to give the talk? Okay. So, semata-mata talk je lah dia dengar. So, tak ada buat game and everything, tak ada lah. Apa? Buat apa? Buat apa? Intro. Siapa yang buat intro tu? The welfare home. I see. Okay. How are you going to go there? Uh, Okay. So you can include in your financial implication transportation. Tulis kat situ berapa. Maksudnya self-sponsored, tulis self-sponsored. So total buat je lah estimated budget. Hmm. Ataupun gotong royong, okay. Uh-huh. Equipment tu memang confirm cukup lah semua. You guys are not going to buy anything, eh? Okay. So tulis je lah. Gotong royong equipment, welfare home. Macam tu. Provided by the welfare home. Every single things that you use, you need, you use lah basically throughout the event. Then you put in the financial implication. Even though it doesn't income, you don't need to pay anything. Okay? Lepas tu you buang budget code 01, allocation lunch, utilize balance tu, make it 0 kat situ. It shouldn't be filled with anything. Okay, turun bawah. You tak ada bagi hadiah ke apa kan kat dia orang, just makan kan? Okay. Okay. Tulis satu ayat dekat conclusion. It is hope for the top management to approve this event. Macam tu. Okay? Turun bawah. Unicare MIT top management. Unicare MIT top management to approve this event due to baru ayat you yang kat bawah tu. Due to strengthen community bonds and create a more inclusive society where individuals are blah blah blah. Okay. Turun bawah. Okay, you tak tukar lagi ni. Kenapa WEB 20202 tu bold lah? Okay, tulis bawah nama I. Nanti tukar font tu, WEB 20202 sama dengan tulisan lecturer tu, tulisan Professional English 1 bawah dia. And then tukar nama Yuniza Abdul Latif to Dr. Siti Syariah Syari. Dr. Siti Syariah Syari. Okay? Okay, turun bawah. Lagi. Right, organizational chart. Please include the student ID. And then it should be all the committee members, all the departments. Yang kecil-kecil itu pun semua satu kelas. I mean like for your group lah, for the whole group. Kalau ada 32 orang kena letak. Okay, turun bawah. Yes, semua orang. It's either you want to do organizational chart ataupun you just simply do the table lah. Kejap I tunjuk yang sekejap, turun bawah tu, turun bawah. Tentative program. Okay, for the tentative program, I want you to put the PIC for each session. 8.30 tu, siapa yang handle for roll call. 9, if you do any roll call lah, briefing or what, siapa yang do briefing ni, PIC kena ada next to it. Socializing activity with Beautiful Gate ni, buat apa socializing ni? Make it clear. So socializing, and then talk about blah blah blah. And then siapa PIC, ada one column next to the activity description tu. 12:30 lunch with Beautiful Gate Foundation. Okay. Okay. Turun bawah. Ni buang. Okay, turun bawah lagi. Rubrik semua buang. Untuk yang endorsement nanti buang-buang. Ni tak nak. Dalam assignment VLE tu ya kena ada. Dalam rubrik tak ya. Dalam dalam proposal untuk submission for the endorsement ni. Okay. Sekejap I tunjuk yang proposal kelas lain. Mm-hmm. Yes, correct. Ni kan. Ni. So every single thing dia letak token, goodies, food, activity items, donation. Ni. So class fund, transportation, and then conclusion. Kejap nak tunjuk ni. Ni benda lah ni, organizing committee. So put my name as the advisor on top. Macam ni. And then you guys are going to put like all the department lah together with the student ID because this proposal is going to use if you want to claim GHOX later on. Yang ni pun nak ada job scope table Okay. This is for the tentative lah, PIC and everything. Okay. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Project manager. Yang dalam assignment tu tak apalah kalau nak letak secretary ke apa, tapi in the one that needs to be submitted, project manager Okay, is there anything else you want to ask? You baiki by today lah. Sebab nak collect the signature lagi ni, dah tak sempat nanti ni. Okay, alright, thank you. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum.